Welcome to Living a Sustainable Dream, and my name is Mark, and this is me cleaning the solar panels of snow. This is one storm. We got about 12 inches, started yesterday morning, and here we are 24 hours later, about a foot of snow. So you got to get the panels cleaned off. The best way that I found out how to do that is to buy one of these. And this is a squeegee that snaps in to a telescoping pole that it's designed to be a part of. So this is pretty much a window washer setup with a long pole that can extend and reach. And I find that this works really, really well with the panels, at least scraping off the snow. That's all I use it for. So I just reach it up and just drag it down. And on days like this, with there's so much snow on the panels, I start at the bottom, because in the video you'll see it breaks it down, and so the top can fall down. It's not real fun being on the second row of this. A lot of people locate their panels on the house. I thought about wanted to do it, but if you take a look at the house, if it gets stuck on those panels up there, then I have to get on the roof, and that metal roof is pretty dangerous to walk on. And so I don't really enjoy walking on that at all. I like this setup better. It's off the house. I don't have to worry about it getting hung up behind the panels and not sliding. If you have your panels on the roof of your house, let me know how it's going for you. I've considered maybe putting them up there, but still have been reluctant to do so because I don't want an ice dam to form behind the panels and then to have it creep over the top and then just kind of get stuck there. All right, well, thank you. I got a lot of work to do this morning before I get my morning cup of coffee, which I'm hoping to get very quickly so I can get the rest of those panels cleaned off. They're not going to make any power today. Don't think that. The reason I'm cleaning it off is so it doesn't get frozen on there and stuck on there, and then it really becomes a bear to get off. And then what I have to do is haul in a little burn barrel, light a small fire so I can melt it off if it ices up real thick. So the reason I'm getting it off right now is to prevent that. All right.